Hello fellas, I have the Makita impact driver and it's only working when it's 100. So, and what can you see? The brushes, yeah, one of the brushes ended. So I will remove it. Okay. Strange that it's not ended, but it's the wire is touching the end here, so maybe that's a sign that the brush is supposed to be inserted like that, to not touch the end. And okay, the ball bearing looks dry but still works. I will just open it to check how it looks inside. Here we can see that the armature looks really good, except this one, because this commutator have bunted a little bit, because the carbon brushes was not touching it perfectly. So we need to clean it with sanding paper. The easiest way to do that is to put the armature to the drill and just spin it. Okay, looks way better. Okay, what we need to do now, we need to brush the dust a little bit from the switch, from the housing. So I'll just brush the dust here. Okay, nothing fancy, just brush it a little bit. Okay, now we are putting it back. Okay, got it nicely, easily. We have the bump here for the housing, it goes down. Okay, we can check if everything goes good. Close the housing. Okay, we are taking this to the trash bin. Getting the new CB440. Installing the brushes. Getting the spring on the brush. You can see how I bended the wire. That's because I don't want the wire to stick and stop the brush from moving. Okay, we have the spring here in place, the wire is bended. Now we can close the housing here. Now we can test it. Oh, it looks like it's working. Okay, so we have the broken compact driver, and that was simply repaired. The brushes was not ended but installed not correctly. So now we have installed the new brushes correctly and it will run again. For now, thank you for watching. Bye.